Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain about how to make Facebook private. In this video explains how to change your Facebook privacy settings to make your post, friend list, profile information and albums private. Instructions are specific to Facebook on the desktop. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watch on this video. First of all, here I am going to explain how to change the sharing default using privacy settings and tools. For this, first step is select the arrow in upper right corner of any Facebook screen. Select settings and privacy in the drop down menu. Then choose settings. After that, select privacy in the left pane. The first item listed is who can see your future post. If it says public, select edit and choose friends from the drop down menu. After that, select close to save the change. You can change the audience for previous post on the screen. Look for an area labeled limit the audience for post you have shared with the friends are public. Select limit past post, then select limit past post again. Now here I am going to explain how to make your Facebook friends list private. For this, first step is on the settings and privacy screen, select edit next to who can see your friends list. Select either friends or only me to keep your friends list private. Alternatively, go to your Facebook profile page, go to the Friends tab under your cover photo. Select the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the Friends screen, choose Edit Privacy. Select an audience next to Friends list and following. Select the X icon to save the changes and close the window. Here I will explain how to review your profile privacy settings. For the first setting is select your name at the top of any Facebook screen to go to your profile. Select edit details in the left pane of your profile page. The customize your intro box opens. Turn off the toggle next to the information you want to remain private. This includes boxes next to education, your current city, your hometown and other personal information you added to Facebook. To edit item instead, select the pencil icon. Here I will explain another method that is called how to make your profile invisible to search engines. For the first step is select the arrow in the upper right corner of any Facebook screen. Select settings and privacy in the drop down menu. Choose settings. Select privacy in the left pane. Next, do you want to search engine outside of Facebook to link to your profile? Select edit and clear the checkbox that allows search engines to see you on Facebook. Here I will explain change privacy settings on photo album. For the first step is go to your profile and select photos. Select the more menu next to the album you want to change and choose edit album. Use the audience selector to set the privacy settings for the album. Some albums have audience selectors on each photo, which allows you to select specific audience for each photo. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video.